apples are the most widely consumed fruit all over the world. Not only are they delicious, but they also offer a wide range of health benefits that you might not be aware of. Today, we'll take a look at 7 fantastic reasons why incorporating apples into your daily routine can lead to a happier, healthier you. Apples are an excellent fruit to include in your diet if you have diabetes. Studies showed that eating apples could lower the risk of heart problems and type 2 diabetes. Also, 3 studies found that eating more fruits like apples reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes. However, fruit juice didn't show the same benefit. Apples are not just delicious, but they can also help prevent diabetes. One of the reasons behind their superpowers is the antioxidants packed inside them. Antioxidants act as defenders inside your body, preventing harmful reactions and bringing lots of health benefits. They play a crucial role in safeguarding you from chronic diseases. Apples are loaded with essential antioxidants like quercetin, which can help keep your blood sugar levels steady by slowing down carb digestion. And guess what? They also have chlorogenic acid that helps your body use sugar better. Another superhero antioxidant in apples is fluorescein, which may help lower blood sugar levels by slowing down sugar absorption. Apples are generally unlikely to cause blood sugar spikes, but they do have carbs. If you're keeping track of your carbs, remember that each apple contains about 27 grams. Also, it's a good idea to monitor your blood sugar after eating apples and see how they affect you. Apples can be a natural remedy for constipation. They contain high levels of water, which can help to ease digestion and prevent constipation. And that's not all. Apples also pack a punch with some cool compounds like fiber, sorbitol, and fructose, all working together to make sure your stomach stays happy and things keep flowing smoothly. Apples are a fiber powerhouse, containing both soluble and insoluble fiber, and they are also rich in pectin, a special type of soluble fiber known for its natural laxative properties. On the other hand, the insoluble fiber found in apples is mainly located in the apple skin. This type of fiber plays a vital role in forming stools, easing bowel movements, and providing relief from constipation. To get the most benefits from apples, you should eat them raw and whole with the skin intact. Apples are like the perfect combo of water and fiber. They are about 86% water, which means eating one will keep you full and help reduce calorie intake. Plus, low-calorie density foods like apples are high in water and make you feel satisfied with only 95 calories. Multiple studies have shown that foods with low calorie densities are excellent for promoting fullness, reducing calorie intake, and supporting weight loss. Fiber works its charm by slowing down food digestion so you feel full with fewer calories, which is perfect for your weight loss. Apples are fantastic because they're full of fiber and natural sugars. So delicious. But do you know their skin has something special called flavonoids? These gems help our immune system and reduce inflammation. In some studies, they found that apples are loaded with flavonoids like quercetin and rutin. These are like superheroes, protecting our bodies from cancer cells when things get tough. Apples also have other nutrients that keep the body healthy and give the immune system a boost. Apples are a powerhouse of nutrients, offering a wide array of goodies in just one serving. According to the current dietary guidelines for Americans, a 2,000 calorie diet should include 2 cups of fruit daily, and apples are a fantastic choice among whole fruits. A medium-sized apple packs a bundle of goodness. It contains 104 calories, 28 grams of carbs, and a generous 5 grams of fiber to keep your digestion happy. Plus, it offers essential nutrients like 10% of the daily value DV for vitamin C, boosting your immune system, and 6% of the DV for copper, supporting various bodily functions. Let's not forget the 5% DV of potassium for maintaining a healthy heart, and 4% DV of vitamin K, which is crucial for blood clotting and bone health. Additionally, this serving contributes 2 to 5% of DV for vitamins E, B1, and B6. Polyphenols, an essential group of antioxidants, are abundant in apples. Although not listed on nutrition labels, they are likely account for many of apples' health benefits. For maximum goodness, enjoy apples with their skin as it contains half the fiber and most of the polyphenols. It's no wonder they say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. They're packed with health-promoting properties. Apples are a source of iron, vitamin C, and other friendly components that help boost hemoglobin count. Although apples don't contain a lot of iron, but they do contain a considerable amount of vitamin C, which aids in the absorption of non-heme iron, like the one found in fruits. In a medium apple, you'll find around 10.3 milligrams of vitamin C. Besides enhancing iron absorption, vitamin C plays a crucial role in cell formation and acts as a superhero, clearing free radicals from your blood to protect your cells from potential damage. Don't forget to have at least one apple with its skin every day for maximum benefits. Believe it or not, eating apples can contribute to better dental health. Apples have naturally high water content and stimulate saliva production, which helps in reducing tooth decay and prevents bacteria from thriving in your mouth. Apples have high amounts of acidity. They eliminate the bacteria in your mouth that causes bad breath. While some may fear that the acidity in apples weakens enamel, the sugar content of apples helps to neutralize these potentially harmful acids, while making it easy for your body to absorb the good ones. The fiber content of apples also works to keep both teeth and gums clean and free from excessive bacteria buildup. Because apples are crisp, snacking on them increases the level of saliva production in the mouth, which helps to strengthen your teeth and keep cavities at bay. There you have it, 7 incredible health benefits of apples, from their nutritional value to their contribution to immune dental health and weight management. It's safe to say that apples are a good superfood. So why not make apples a part of your daily routine and enjoy all the goodness they have to offer? What's your favorite type of apple and why? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.